Hey everybody, how's it going? You see what we got here? It's a piece of pecan we got left over. We brought back from Louisiana with us. Didn't know what else to do with it. So, as you can see, there's a fish drawn on there. It's gonna be a trout. And what I'm gonna do is, I've never done a relief carving before. I've seen some, looked at them, never tried it. So I'm gonna make an attempt at turning this into a relief carving of a trout. And the worst thing that happened is I screwed up. We can always chop it up, chuck it in the wood burner, whatever we got to do. Nope, definitely never done that. I'm gonna give this thing a shot, cut out the edges. I think I'll leave the tail section connected and the head section connected. Probably this fin, maybe. I'm not sure right down here, but like I said, I'm gonna get the cutting on it, see how it goes. Worst thing that happened, I chop this thing up, you never even see this video. So here we go, let's see what happens. Let's see if I asked for a vote, they'd say I'd screwed up. All right, I think that's all I'm gonna be doing with the chainsaw. And from here on, I'm gonna be going into using the 4.5-inch angle grinder and clean this baby up, shape it. And I changed my mind as I got here. I was thinking of a trout originally, but I'm gonna make this a salmon. I've never made a salmon before. Now, honestly, they're all about the same, but they got that weird, goofy hook mouth on them, and I'm gonna put that on this dude. All right, let's see how it goes. All right, that's about as good as that's gonna get. So we're gonna start cutting some of the detail in, the lines of the fins and all that. And actually this one here wasn't right. This actually pulls into the body on this one. So we just cut it off and we're gonna gouge that in there. So we'll get the sanding, we'll see how it looks when we're done. right, so we got the boss lady come out here and hold this thing so we could video it, and there it is. That's the end. I burnt the edges on it, and looks pretty good. Some kind of salmon thing. It's the first time I ever did a relief carving, and she's gonna kill me if I don't hurry up and get it back, because that thing's kind of heavy. Thanks for watching. Come back when you can stay later, you smuck.